Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore old photos using AI. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy. All you need to do is go over to your phone and go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app called Photo Scan by Google. So what you're going to do is you are going to simply type in Photo Scan, just like this, and then you need to most likely get the first one. It's going to be this one. Just download it, and once you've downloaded it, just open the app like this and give it access to your camera. Once you've done that, find your old photo that you want to scan in basically. Once you've done that, hold down the camera above that photo. Unfortunately, I couldn't really find an old photo, so I just used a photo of the internet. But trust me, if you have a really old photo, this will work perfectly. So what you're going to do is you are going to simply hold your camera above the photo. And once you've done that, just click on that photo icon, basically like this. Then what you need to do is move over with your camera to that circle, so it's going to scan, and it will say which way you will be moving, just like this, and just like this. And basically once you've done that, it should say a check mark, and then it's going to basically start scanning, and then just in a few seconds, your photo should be there, as you guys can see. And this is literally the photo we just scanned with Google Photos. It's really, really cool, and we just scanned it. And yeah, we can now just share it and all those kind of things. We can of course see that the glare is not completely removed. That's because my picture also didn't really had any glare. So there was nothing to really be removed. This was just an example on how it actually works. But yeah, then you have your picture on your device and you can literally save it to your camera roll just like that. And yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.